Hello everyone, this is Rahman. Today we are going to discuss regarding the time value of money. Okay, so in the time value of money, we will be having two techniques to find out. Okay, to find out the time value of money, we are having two techniques. The first one is compounding, second one is discounting. Okay, it is also called as compounding is also called as future value technique, and discounting is also called as present value techniques. Okay, so for this the formulas has given in different way. Okay, for the future value techniques, FV, okay, future value, FV1 is equals to V0 into 1 plus I. This is for the 1 year. Okay, to find out the future value for 1 year, this formula will be applicable. Okay, FV, what exactly this particular thing? FV is stands for future value at the end of the first period, like first year. Okay, then F0, what F0, sorry, V0, what V0 is? V0 is value of money at present value or original sum of money. Means whatever the principal amount, whatever the money will be considered, that amount will be writing over here. Whatever the amount will be given in the problem, that will we are going to consider over here. Then V plus I stands for interest rate. Over here it has mentioned I stands for interest rate. So this thing is to be derived in the same way. Whatever the values has given, just substitute with this formula, we will be getting answer. It will be for the 1 year. If it is for the multiple years, okay, for the multiple years, like if it is for the second year, then again we can do in a separate way, like whatever the amount has come in the first year, the same will be written over here. Then the same formula we can get the second year, and for the third year the amount will be getting for the second year amount, that amount will be writing over here. Then we can start with this formula, then we can get for the third year. If you don't want in that way, okay, within a short span, to just to know about whatever the value for the 5 years, to not to go for the that much long, you can find out with this formula. Okay, with the help of this formula you can find out very easily. How come? This formula stands for the same one, FVN. N means number of years, whatever the thing, like 5 years we are finding for the 5 years, 5. FV5 is equals to V0 plus, sorry, into 1 plus I whole power n. N stands for this again. Okay, how many years? This one, period, it stands for period, number of years. Now FVN, amount at the end of the period, like FVN in the sense after 5 years future value, how much the future value after 5 years it is going to be considered. It won't be given in the problem, but the thing it is, we will be getting FV1. Okay, FV definitely in the problem they are going to give some principal amount, that amount to be taken, and we have to start. So V1, V0, principal amount at the beginning of the period. Now the amount, whatever the principal amount has given, it is to be written over here. Okay, then 1 plus I, 1 plus I in the sense it is interest rate. We will be getting whole power n, whole power n in the sense n 5 years, you keep it there itself, you will be getting the answer. Okay, whole power n. To multiply this thing, generally if you are having the scientific calculator, it is better. Okay, in the scientific calculator you can find it easily. If not, in a general calculator also you can find out. I will be showing inshallah in the next problem while doing the problem itself. Okay na? Now we will be discussing regarding the discounting or present value technique. Now discounting and present value technique, the best way to find out the discounting and present value technique is this formula is very easy to just to understand and follow. Okay, Vn, present value can be calculated with the help of the following formula. Okay, Vn is equals to PV0 into 1 plus I, interest rate. Okay, Vn stands for future value after n number of years. Okay, after n number of years, n period. Then PV naught, whatever the present value we are having, that thing is to be mentioned. 1 plus I, that is discounted rate. Okay, discounted rate will be mentioned in the problem, that thing is to be applied, then we will be getting answer. That's it. This is the way in which we can find out this thing. Okay, this present value technique. Here we are having another formula as well. Okay, PV naught is equals to Vn divided by 1 plus I. Okay, I stands for discontent rate. The same in this way also we can find out. Okay, you follow this or either this, it is better. Okay na. Chalo, thank you very much.